What's up, guys? Bobby with Camp Life Customs. I'm going to talk about our process and the steps we take to building a good van. Step number 2, steel fabrication and framework. Once we have our design and our layout buttoned down, then we go to work into the fabrication process. We begin cutting our steel, fabricating all of our different structures, whether it be benches, shower stalls, bed platforms, what have you. Then once we are finished fabricating some of these structures on the bench, we bring them into the van and we weld them to the body of the van. There is no better way of attaching framework to a van than welding metal to metal. We are one of the only builders in the industry that does their framework out of steel. The reason being is that steel is hands down the best material for framework in a van. As we respect everybody's craft, most builders you see out there use all wood for their framework. The problem with that is expansion and contraction, which is directly related to temperature and humidity. As a van gets hot or cold, dry or wet, your wooden framework will now expand and contract, and over time your van will start to develop rattles and vibrations on the road. Another reason for choosing steel as opposed to wood for your framework is safety and longevity. We install a subframe in every ceiling so that we have something solid to fasten all of our ceiling and overhead cabinetry to. Here's an example and the result of a van that had framework done with wood. With steel framework, we eliminate a lot of these potential problems. Take a look at one of our projects that's in the fabrication process currently. So, first things first, we have our convertible dinette situation, which is 2 benches with a table between that convert to a bed. What we've done here is we've furred the floor up with these cross supports so that we can get our plumbing to the other side of the van. In this particular build, we have a kitchen that's going to be going here, and then we have a shower on the opposite side of the van. So we need to be able to get our plumbing to the other side while maintaining all of our plumbing equipment inside the van. Next, you'll find we are missing our wall supports that we typically put in here, and that's because we're going to be cutting into the side of this van and installing window flares. We have our shower frame. You'll notice a gap between the shower and the benches. That's there to house a box that we fabricate on the bench, and that'll slide inside there, and that is where your toilet slides in and out of the shower. So standard in every ceiling, we do the subframe so that we have something solid to fasten not only our ceiling to, but also all of our overhead cabinetry. Thanks for checking out our video. If you liked it, be sure to like and subscribe for more content.